If you have a Costco Anywhere Visa card by CITI and you want to log into your online account to manage your payments, check your balance or view your rewards, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you the easy steps to log into your Costco Citi Card. First, open your web browser and go to the official Citi website by going to www.citi.com. You can also use the Citi mobile app if you prefer logging in from your phone. But for now, let's stick with the website. Now, once you're on the Citi homepage, simply click on Sign On button at the top right corner of the page. Now, you'll need to select your Costco Anywhere Visa card by Citi. On the website Sign On page, you should see a drop-down menu or a link to Costco Anywhere Visa card under the Select Your Account. Here, as you can see, you can find the Activator card. Simply tap on it. After that, you can need to enter your user ID and password again that you created when you applied for the card. These are the same login credentials you use to manage your Citi card account. After that, once you've entered the credentials, click on Sign On button. And that's it. You will simply log in and you'll be taken to your Costco Citi Card account dashboard. Here you can view important information like your balance, payment due date, rewards, and transaction history. And for easier access on the go, consider downloading the Citi mobile app from your App Store or Google Play. And that's it. Now you know how to log into your Costco Citi Card online account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.